welcome to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to make a cookie with my mom named Amla. Here is sugar, 2 eggs, and butter that Amla put already. Before I already put the brown sugar, now I'm going to put the white sugar. Mix. Yeah, it's so much fun. Yeah. Hi guys. I was putting the egg, but the egg was dropping here and here, and I make my doodle dirty. A pinch of salt go in.
What did it say? Yeah. What's next?
Flour. Yeah. Now we're gonna put the soft flour that my doodle touch on. It was so soft. I just do like this. Now I'm gonna put the vanilla extra. Now I'm gonna put some baking powder.
Okay. Keep doing it.
I'm making a cookie. I don't want to make an egg cookie. Ew. I just got some chocolate here, and there's chocolate we're not gonna put it inside here. I'm going to eat this chocolate later, and then I'm going to put the chocolate right here.
Okay.
Yummy cookies is out from the oven. Ooh, yummy cookies. I made these cookies, but the chocolate chips are kind of inside. One eye. Two. That means I can eat this one full. Thank you for watching my channel. Click the like button.